fix Windows 11 PC not shutting down issue. So this issue usually offers due to fast startup, so we need to turn that off. Alright, so we can use command prompt as well as we can also use or do with GUI version. So in this video I'm gonna show you the command version. So first of all you have to go to the search bar and here you need to search for cmd, that is the command prompt. Make sure to open it by clicking on run as administrator and then you need to click on yes, which will help you to make changes on your Windows 11 PC. Then after that, once you open the command prompt, you need to type here power cfg edge off. Let me type in here power cfg space edge space off. So this will basically turn off the fast boot and hit enter on the keyboard. Then you need to restart your device. Once you restart, this will help you to solve your issue of Windows 11 PC not shutting down right away. So this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.